Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Veho Wants Me Back. So in one of my latest videos on Veho specifically, or really my last videos on Veho specifically, I exposed them for scamming me in a couple of different ways and then deactivating me wrongfully. But recently they reached out to me to help them with a pilot program that they're working on, which is led me to believe some interesting conclusions. So in this video, we're talking about what Veho reached out to me about, what they say versus how it actually is, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. So I got this email from Nathaniel Curtis, who is in the Veho back office. Apparently, he is a senior operations manager here in South Florida, and he's leading some new initiatives. They're trying to create a system of offer bundles and lock in 3 consecutive days of consistent work with that, where you have access to choose specific locations, short offers, and medium offers based on what is available. And this way, people can get around the nightly offer request frenzy that all of us know and hate. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into the details because, yes, this is a pilot program, and we don't know for sure if this is going to be a guaranteed thing, but they are going pretty hard at it. And ready for this? I only emailed delivery partners I vetted for quality to sign up for this opportunity. That means if you're reading this, I am excited to work with you, and you'll be able to get my full dedicated support if you sign up. That also means that Nathaniel was not notified that I was deactivated, nor was I supposed to be deactivated. Nikki Baker, the failure that in the Veho back office, chose to lie about that, which also means a couple things for me. Am I not on Veho? Am I on Veho? They just requested my insurance information and approved it because the last set expired. So I am led to believe that she was as full of shit as she can get. And not to mention, after I made the video exposing her, she went total darkness, like she's hiding now, which is hilarious. But now I have an opportunity to test out a pilot program within Veho and do some routes and test some offers before anyone else and make content about it. Do I see myself doing that? I don't know, I wouldn't think so. Like I said, Veho, at the point in which I was deactivated, kind of was already on its way out for me because the amount of time I would have to commit to that is not an amount of time I can actually do anymore. And not to mention, I've gotten my foothold pretty deep in the catering community, and I'm really making moves within the YouTube space, so maybe it's not the time to go back. But that said, I would like to keep my finger on the pulse of what's going on. So if you guys want to see some content about it, I might make content about it. Maybe. Either way, let me know in the comments what you think of all this. This was a very impromptu video. I had some other stuff that I've been working on during the day, and I'm also excited to release some other interesting information and other opportunities for you guys as well, but stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.